Alright, this is the last question on the test. And what you find on this test is that what you had to do was you take f of x and you have to divide it by s of x, right? Because this one was the number of visitors. This is the number of shows, so to get the visitors per show, you had to divide them. And because this is not a simple divisor, we usually decide to go through long division for this one, right? So we have to do 18x plus 45 divided into, divides this one. Right. And so we start this one and this one. You always look at the first two terms, right? So then you say, well, 126x cubed over 18, what can that possibly be? Well, it's, 18x. Well, it's 7x squared. So we need a 7x squared over here. And then you do 7x squared times 18x plus 45. And you distribute that in. And you get 126x cubed plus 315x squared. Now you're going to put this over here, but you have to change the signs. Since both of them are positive, we're going to write them as negatives over here. Whoops, you have to look at what I'm doing. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that I did check. This one's degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, and degree 0. None of the degrees are missing. Right. So we combine and we get negative 36x squared, and we bring down the 90x. So now we need 18x and negative 36x squared. Number do we need? We need a negative 2x. Alright, so then we say negative 2x times this. And we get negative 36x squared minus 90x. Alright, so that's what's going to go over here, but we have to remember that when we transfer it over here, we have to change the signs. So since both of them are negatives, they're going to become positive. Alright, and then these don't cancel, which is where I think a lot of mistakes were made. They're both positive, so it becomes 180x. And you bring down the 450, right? So we still have one last part. We focus on the 18x and the 180x. And then if you can't see it, then you can always just divide. And you get 10. So we need a plus 10. So then you do 10 times this. So 10 times 18x plus 45. We get 180x plus 450. And remember, when we write it over here, we have to change the signs. Right? So since they're both positive, they both become negatives. And now everything cancels and you get a 0 remainder. Right? So then the answer is this one.